If you have a computer and 2 hours a day, these 7 companies will hire you. No experience, no degree, no interview tricks. Let me paint you a picture. It's 7 a.m. You've already negotiated a Brexit treaty between 2 tiny humans, located a missing shoe that was somehow in the freezer, and you haven't even had coffee yet. And somewhere between the chaos and the school drop-off, there's this little voice in the back of your head saying, I need to make money from home today. Good news. That's exactly what we're talking about. 7 remote jobs for moms, no degree, no experience, and companies that are hiring right now. Let's get into it. Number 1, virtual assistant. This is the gold standard of work-from-home jobs for moms, and for good reason. Businesses need someone to manage emails, schedule appointments, and handle tasks. If you've been managing a household, congratulations, you're already overqualified. Pay ranges from $15 to $35 an hour. Check out Belay, Zirtual, or simply search LinkedIn. Number 2, online chat support agent. No phone calls, no awkward silences, just typing. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and Concentrix hire chat agents constantly. You answer customer questions through a chat window while your kid watches their 3rd episode of something you've already memorized. Starting pay is around $14 to $18 an hour. Number 3, data entry specialist. If you can type and pay attention to detail, you can do this. It's repetitive, yes, but so is answering why 40 times a day, and at least this one pays. Sites like ClickWorker, Axion Data Entry, and even Fiverr are great places to start. Entry-level positions typically start around $12 to $17 an hour. Number 4, social media manager. Do you scroll Instagram while pretending to watch cartoons? Monetize that skill. Small businesses desperately need someone to post content and engage with their audience. You don't need a marketing degree. You need a phone and a personality. Start with local businesses, offer a trial month, and build from there. Rates typically start at $15 an hour and go way up. Number 5, transcriptionist. Listen to audio, type what you hear, that's it. Rev.com is the most popular starting point, and you can genuinely work whenever you have 15 minutes to spare. It's one of the most flexible options on this entire list. Number 6, online tutor. Did you graduate high school? You can tutor elementary and middle school students. Platforms like Tutor.com, Wyzant, and Varsity Tutors are always looking for tutors in math, reading, science, and more. Pay ranges from $15 to $40 an hour, depending on the subject. Number 7, proofreader. Love catching grammar mistakes? Same. Companies and bloggers will pay you to read their content before it goes live. Caitlin Pyle's free webinar at Proofread Anywhere is a fantastic place to learn the basics. No degree required, just an eye for detail and a love of the red pen. Now, real talk for a second. If you're going to be working from home, sitting at a kitchen table, hunched over a laptop, while chaos swirls around you, your back is going to have opinions. Loud, painful opinions. This is where I need to tell you about a lumbar support cushion. And yes, I know that sounds boring, but hear me out. This thing sits on any chair, supports your lower back, and keeps you from ending every work session feeling like you fought a medieval battle. There are some fantastic, highly rated ones on Amazon for under $30. And honestly, it might be the best investment you make alongside your new remote career. The link is in the description. Your spine will personally thank me. Okay, back to your future. You have options. Real, legitimate paying options that fit around school pickups and nap times and the beautiful, exhausting reality of being a mom. Apply today. Not tomorrow. Not after you research it for 6 more weeks. Today. You don't need experience. You don't need a degree. You just need to start. And you've already proven you can handle hard things before 8 a.m. Go get it. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.